Thinking about remodeling your bathroom, but not sure what it might cost? Well, you're not alone. And that's exactly why we've built our online pricing tool. You can find it right on our website. It's designed to give you a realistic starting point based on actual material costs and real project data. In just a few short clicks, you can explore different options, see how your choices impact pricing, and of course, start shaping what your ideal bathroom could look like. Now, we want to be upfront. This isn't a to-the-penny quote. What the pricing tool is going to give you will be a realistic price range based on material and labor costs here in Colorado. The only way that you can get a to-the-penny quote would be by us visiting your home, seeing your space, and understanding exactly what you need. But this tool, well, it's the perfect first step. It helps you go from, I have no idea what this costs, to, okay, this is what's possible. So if you're even starting to think about a bathroom remodel, we invite you to head to our website and try the pricing tool. It's located conveniently under the pricing subheader of our website, there at the top. Of course, it's there to guide you before we ever step foot in your home.